Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you can see that majority of the altcoins are down about 5 to 10%. The reason for this is there was a lot of outflow of cash which did not leave the crypto market, rather it was going towards Bitcoin. The easiest way to see that is Bitcoin was able to hold its price close to 97,500, and you can see that the dominance started to recover from close to 59.5. It's now close to 59.88. The fear to the greed index did actually climb from 35 to 41, so there is definitely a lot of money that's actually flowing into the crypto market and especially into Bitcoin. At the same time, Argentina's president orders an investigation into the Libra crypto rug pull that he promoted. This was a huge thing because you guys know the president did decide to talk about this coin, which pumped it, and after that a lot of money was stolen. That's probably the right word to use, and he's getting an investigation going. Dogecoin has pulled back to 0.61 Fibonacci level, also known as the golden ratio. This is a key level where bullish reversals often occur. 33 million Dogecoin liquidation imbalance stuns the Dogecoin long traders. Tether working with the US lawmakers to shape the stablecoin policy. Now we all know that US is trying extremely hard to do this, and crypto demand in Africa is starting to rise. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits. Make sure you slap a like on it and get the user engagement going. Now first of all, I want to show you guys the price action for Dogecoin. In the last 24 hours, it was able to break the key resistance close to 27 cents. It did actually retest close to 28.7, but then it was consolidating and now it's actually sitting on the support close to 27. To ensure that the market does not slow down for Dogecoin, we need to ensure that we do not fall under 27 cents. Obviously, there will be a little bit of outflow due to the fact that a lot of people are anticipating Bitcoin to do incredibly well and they want the dominance to go back to normal, so money is being taken out. The consolidation phase nears its end for Bitcoin, and that should give you perspective that's about to go explosive. Middle of February is usually the time, which was in 2021, which was in 2017. Every single time February mid, after that, after we have crossed the Valentine's Day, sees a lot of inflow of cash and the market starts showing a positive trend. So we could be seeing some sort of trend starting to form very soon. On the other end, the open interest for Dogecoin is still sitting close to 1.3 billion, and the long to the short ratio, well, it's still in the favor of long traders, but it's close to 74% as compared to 75%. Now this was a huge deal. Now if you guys do not know, there was a really big coin, or a meme coin, that was released, and it was promoted by the president of Argentina, and it's very clear to see that he was one of the people who must have bought into it. Then it was rug pulled, and now it's a really interesting situation in terms of who is going to be, you know, investigated in this sense. And the president pretty much put out an order for this investigation. And what does this have anything to do with anyone other than just him? That's a really interesting statement. And Tether, now you guys know America or US is not interested in trying to get any sort of, you know, let's say policies made for Bitcoin reserve, but there is one thing that they want the policies to be shaped very soon, and that's stablecoin, because stablecoin is much bigger threat to the US dollar as compared to crypto. Because if there is a lot of money flowing into, let's say, Bitcoin, there's a higher chance that more people are going to be making profit. There's also going to be flow of money, very similar to stock market. But when it comes to USDT, which is actually a stable coin, it can be used for other reasons such as money laundering, also transactions which are very large and cannot be monitored by the US government. So right now they're trying to put as many policies on the stable coins as quickly as possible, and it will be very interesting to see what they come up with. That's all I'm going to say. If the policies are very strict, that could impact the crypto market in a negative way, because we all know that stable coins are pretty much the backbone of the entire crypto market, and them I mean, Tether has a market cap of 142 billion, making it the largest stablecoin issuer. So they want to be involved with this writing, and they want to ensure that it's not too harsh on the stablecoins. At the same time, the US senator says she encourages people to buy, hold, and save Bitcoin for their retirement, as this is probably just the beginning for Bitcoin, as there is more to come. That's all I'm gonna say. And US credit card debt reaches a new all-time high of 1.2 trillion. This simply means we need to teach better financial education to the people, as you know, getting credit card when you definitely cannot afford is probably not the right decision to make. And less than 7% of the global population is invested in crypto. That should give you perspective. Even after the ETF is released, there's a very small portion of the entire population that's actually invested in crypto. So there is definitely more and more adoption that's going to happen over time. So there is more possibility for growth as compared to something else. And each time the TD substantial indicator flashes a buy signal on the Ethereum weekly chart near the lower boundary of this channel, price has historically rebounded strongly. A similar setup can be unfolding very soon, and it's very clear to see that we might be seeing Ethereum explode, which will help majority of the altcoins also show a positive trend. And the most critical support level for Bitcoin is 93,000 based on the MVRV pricing band. And where is Bitcoin sitting right now? 97,500, so very high up as compared to where it would be finding the support. Another thing that's incredibly important for you to understand is falling under 96,000 is going to be way more bigger deal as compared to falling under 93,000. I know they're both very, very important, but at the end of the day, they both hold a very key role in terms of how well the crypto market is going to do in general. And Ethereum spot ETF has offloaded nearly 14,000 Ethereum in just the last week. So that should be the reason why we are seeing a lot of consolidation, because there's just a lot of movement of money. Being able to explode the price would need the money to slow down. And Bitcoin spot ETF has offloaded close to 7,500 Bitcoin. And Wincoin investment board increases Bitcoin exposure through BlackRock ETF. So this should give you perspective. There is a lot of firms which are buying into ETFs, but there is a lot of ETFs which are also selling Bitcoin. If there is a lot of selling of Bitcoin, it's obviously going to slow down the rate at which we are moving. So you just need to be a little bit patient when it comes to things like this. And White House's crypto council gears up for a major move, and most of it is going to be heading towards stablecoin. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Nothing I said today is actually financial advice. This is just all my opinion. Make sure it's your money, do your own research. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.